Hey guys, Ellie here. Hope you're having a great and fantastic day. So I want to bring to you and to you guys' attention that dropshipping is not dead. Dropshipping definitely is not dead if done right. You know, if you're sourcing the products, if they're quality products, if they're unique enough and your marketing's on point, and also your design and your brand. Now, one thing I am going to say though is I never treat myself, and this is something that I absolutely was so excited for. It was only $28, but because of the fact that it's personalized, I did take in consideration that, you know, I am cheap. But as any business and entrepreneur, you definitely want to make sure that you are your finances are going to the right places. But anyway, so this product I absolutely love. It is a slim, cool little cooler for your can, 11 ounce or 12 ounce. Now, one thing I absolutely love about this is that it literally says my engraving. It has Pearl, and that is my last name. It's something small. Everything else is you know, bland and blank. I love the color, I love the feel of it. I think it is quality, and just a little touch that makes it 100% amazing is the engraving of my name. So the point I want to get across today in this video is you can definitely do drop shipping, but if you want to really be out there and you know, have a solid brand, then personalize your products, print on demand, personalize it, because I can get this anywhere. I can get this little slim, you know, cooler anywhere for my awesome drinks that I'm drinking every single day. But I just love the final touch of this, and I think that, you know, homemade and homemade crafts, things like that, candles, things that you can't get at Walmart, things that you can't get at your local retail shop is the key. And unless you have a great competitive advantage, you know, there are so many other companies that are probably doing this. So look at their reviews, look at just I just am stunned by the quality of this and the simplicity of it and how it just speaks literally my name. And I think that, you know, anybody can do this. Really, anybody can do this. So go out there, you know, come up with a really solid business. And this video just emphasizing personalization. That is where it's going. That is where, you know, businesses are headed, because you can get almost anything and everything these days except personalization. So hope you have a great day.